Hi, everybody. This is Adam.
And me, Petri.
And we are here to teach you about gaining attention.
Attention? What's that?
Attention is when you need something. And there's some things that you can do that'll help you get some good attention. Do you want to learn a couple?
Uh-huh.
All right, cool. One of the first things that they sometimes teach you in school is to raise your hand when you need attention.
Oh, like this?
Yep, that's a good way to do it. You kind of moved it in front of my face.
Or like this?
Yep, that's a good way to do it there, Petri. Way to raise your wing. So if I see somebody's hand or wing up, they can be looking for attention from a teacher.
Oh, I think I get it.
You could also use your core board and maybe show that you want, let me fix that right there, that you want something. Or you could even use the one to indicate that you need some
help.
You're right. And that can let people know you need attention.
What about if I just do something like this?
What is that?
Oh, it's a song. It's an attention song.
Okay. I love your singing.
Thanks.
And it's a good song.
Oh, thanks.
But I don't know what it means. It's just noise. But if you use the words help, or I want, or I need, then I know that you need something.
Oh, that's different.
You're right. That is different, and it helps me know what you need.
I think I get it. Well, I got one more thing.
Okay, what's that, Petri?
I think I need to get more attention from friends.
Oh, you need more attention from friends. Do you know how to get that?
Not yet. I'm still learning.
Okay, if you're learning, guess what? Can I introduce one other person to you?
Uh-huh.
All right, then here also it's
me, Mr. Beaver.
Well, hello, Mr. Beaver.
Hi.
What a great way to get attention. You saw somebody new and you said the word hi, or you can wave. And that's a great way to get attention from somebody new. Do you want to practice?
Yep, I'm going to wave this wing at you. Hello.
Great job waving, guys. That was a really nice thing to do. When you meet somebody new and you want their attention, you can use the words like hi or hello, and you could try to wave. Nice work.
I like that too.
I'm glad you do, Mr. Beaver. Guess what? We are done with our lesson. We are finished. Can you wave goodbye to the kids?
Bye, everybody. Bye, bye, bye. Yep, bye, everybody.
All right. You have a great day getting attention and gaining attention in those ways that we practiced. We'll talk to you later. Bye.